my friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. We always have lots of fun on this channel. Yes, I just love having y'all as my friends and as my guests. Today I made homemade red beans and rice. That's a good southern food. Didn't make no cornbread, but hey, I got red beans and rice with a little onion in there. It's gonna be so tasty. I just love it. See all that goodness. I just love red beans and rice. Get you some onion in there. If you've never tried southern cooking, it's a must try. We do eat good in the South. Grape Fanta. See, I drink other things than Dr. Pepper. I decided to do my video a little earlier. What is it? About 3:30 or so. She's been out all day, so she'll be nice and quiet and asleep, hopefully. Got some sausage. You can use any kind of meat in the red beans. Well, I'm making this video the day after the Queen has died. Prince Charles is now King Charles III. Prince William is Prince William of Wales or something like that. Harry and Meghan, it's just good luck to them and overseas. Now they said on the news yesterday, after she had died, that once King Charles, this is gonna be hard to get used to, he's always been Prince Charles, had come king, he could go on and put Prince back in front of Harry's name and add Archie as a prince. Now, my taking of this, before I posted something on Facebook about this, that he didn't, when he said Harry and Meghan good luck overseas, that he didn't put that prince in front of their names. As soon as I posted that, I read something on, it said ABC 7 News. That Harry and Archie he put those prints, I don't know. I can't trust news anymore. Remember the days when the news, any kind of news, newspaper, television, it had to be accurate before they posted it. Then the internet came along. Now anything, they can just make it anyhow lies. I'm talking about just the internet is mostly a bunch of lies. See, I'm gonna get one of those pieces of that rice back in there. It's gonna hide back there in my mouth like it did the other night. Sitting there in the middle of talking, it almost killed me. But it's sad that you can't believe the news. So, I don't know. I don't know anything else that's going on in the world. I got up and get ready to watch my Days of Our Lives, and King Charles III was on making a speech. I was so upset. I was like, oh, this is the last day of them Days of Our Lives on NBC. I don't know if I'm gonna watch it on my Peacock or not. We'll have to see. I just don't understand why all of a sudden they decided in like a week or so to do that. I know y'all younger generation not imagine that's who it is. My generation, they've all retired or died. I guess we're gonna, probably in a few years, be getting rid of TV sets. In 40 years, it'll be coming back. Like the record player, just come back. I'm gonna be having an orchestra tonight. That's why I make sure I ain't going nowhere. You'll be doing a lot of tea. They're delicious. I think black-eyed peas are my favorite bean. Dried bean. I just love them. Good black-eyed pea. And I always keep several bags in my pantry. Several years ago, like 4 or 5 years ago or something, there was I don't know, it was a shortage. I just got there late, I think it was. And they were all sold out for New Year's, like a week before New Year's. Because you know, New Year's Day, you have to have your black-eyed peas, you got to have your cabbage. Black-eyed peas is for prosperity, happiness. Cabbage is for money. You have to have. And so I finally found one can. I wanted homemade, but I had to have a can. We went to several grocery stores. It was way back somewhere, or maybe someone, I think, just stuck it somewhere, and I have to see it. Then we couldn't find cabbage. There was some kind of cabbage shortage or something. There's not enough cabbage to go around. So they had, all over town, there was no cabbage. Then my smart brain says, what has cabbage in it? My boys don't like cabbage. They do like egg rolls. That's where my smart brain came in. Walmart had back in the deli, in the refrigerator section, these big, there were big egg rolls. You got, I think there were 2 for $1. Pork ones were the best. And I got several packages of those. My mother don't like cabbage, but I sneak a little piece of those cabbage dripping, little piece to her food she don't want. Smush up a little bean. Don't matter how much you eat, just as long as you get a little in here. My grandpa, he chased her around the house. She was a grown lady. I'd say 40 years old. Trying to get her to eat that black eyed pea and some, at least a little bite of cabbage. It was a sight to see. She's rolling around the house crying. She's trying to get that black eyed pea. Get her to eat that cabbage. They had the brown idea like me. It's just, they're like, all you need to eat is one little bite. Just one little black eyed pea. Just a tiny bit of cabbage is all you need. Just hide it in something. And we always had to have our Christmas stuff down before the bell struck 12 for New Year's Day. Otherwise, that means you have bad luck for the rest of the year. I've heard other people celebrate this too. A lot of people don't. They have their trees up till February and March or something, and then they wonder, why do I have such bad luck? Because you got your tree that was from the previous year into the new year. You can't bring your luggage, baggage and stuff from that previous year into the new year. You're gonna have bad luck. Yeah. But that's our traditions. But usually, I usually put my Christmas tree up a day or two after Thanksgiving. I usually take it down like 2 days after Christmas. Because usually by the end, I'm sick of looking at it. And it's not up there very long. I don't know. I just get sick of looking at it. I guess because it takes up so much space, I guess. I don't know. You know, this time of year, it's relaxing and everything. You're not to worry about all the holiday stuff and doing this and that. It's so much. I hate it. Do this, do that. And I know people go to all these musicals and parades and parties and stuff. I was like, I don't know how you do it. I'm tired at home. I don't know. I think it's more fun when you have children. Once you're old, your mother's old, your kids are grown. It's not, holidays are not that really fun. It's just, you have to do it. If I wouldn't have to do it, I wouldn't do it. So I'm going to end it here. I'm going to make a little short video thing. I hope y'all learned about my traditions. You can tell me about your traditions in the comments. Leave me a comment. What kind of traditions, or do you do the same kind of traditions as I do? And I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.